In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for lead management in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your leads, how to add them, how to organize them, and when to turn a promising lead into a deal. First, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Leads. This opens your Leads inbox, which is the dedicated space for prospects who aren't yet ready to become deals. Think of it as your staging area, somewhere to capture interest, qualify it, and keep your pipeline clean and focused. At the top left, you'll see the Add Lead button. Click this to add a lead manually if you just met someone at an event, received a referral, or want to jot down a quick opportunity. Right next to it is a small caret icon. Click that and select Import if you already have a list you want to bring in at once. Importing pulls your contacts into the leads inbox so you can manage them all in one place without cluttering your deals until they're ready. Once added, you'll see your list of leads displayed in the inbox. This view gives you a quick snapshot: who the lead is, any associated organization, who owns it, and basic status information. It's designed to help you spot what needs attention at a glance, whether that's a new inquiry or someone you should follow up with today. To stay organized, look to the top right of the list for filters and sorting options. Filters help you narrow down exactly what you want to see, like leads assigned to you, those added this week, or ones with a specific label. Sorting lets you change the order. Maybe you want the newest first, or the highest priority at the top. Use these controls to create a clear, focused view, especially when you're juggling a lot of prospects. When you click on a specific lead, you'll open its detail view. Here, you can add more information, contact details, notes from your last interaction, where the lead came from, and any plans for next steps. Keeping this area up to date makes it easy to hand off to a teammate or pick up right where you left off. And when a lead is qualified and ready to move forward, click Convert to Deal. This promotes the lead into your main pipeline, where you can track stages, forecast revenue, and close with confidence. And there you go. That's all you need to manage leads effectively in Pipedrive. Open leads, add or import, organize with filters and sorting, update details, and convert when it's time. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.